Hi there, students. Phantasmagoria, phantasmagoric, phantasmagorical. Okay, let's see. Phantasmagoric or phantasmagorical is the adjective, and phantasmagoria is the noun. Okay, this is talking about a sequence of images that are, as in, seen in a dream or seen in when you have a fever. So something full of different images, like a confused dream. Okay, maybe you know when in the cinema somebody's having a dream. You get this weird sequence of different pictures, yeah, one after another. Rapid changes in light, in intensity, this dreamlike blurring of reality and imagery. Phantasmagorical, very strange, very weird. So, for example, Dante's Inferno, if you drew or painted a picture of Dante's Inferno, it would be full of phantasmagorical images, yeah? A medley of real and imagined figures as in a dream, or a sequence of pictures where the pictures vary in size rapidly while still remaining in focus. Or maybe in the cinema again, when they're trying to brainwash somebody into believing something, then you have all these phantasmagoric images on the screen. Okay, so yeah, phantasmagoric, really weird, a sequence of different images. Yeah, the music in this opera is phantasmagorical. Yeah, it's really strange. It's full of different ideas and sounds like something you might hear in a dream. The story takes place in a phantasmagorical haunted house where things are just really, really strange. We could put a phantasmagorical section into this novel where maybe the person goes on a dream sequence. Or, for example, if somebody has taken psychedelic drugs in a cinema scene, then they will show you a series of phantasmagorical images, phantasmagorical things that the person sees. So it's like a dreamlike sequence of things. Okay, so something that effectively is in a dream. People sometimes have phantasmagorical fears about things that they do not know. Phantasmagorical stories about the enemy of a country. Yeah, things that are people's imaginings. They're not exactly real. Okay, so phantasmagorical. I think a lot of people, however, just use this word to mean incredible, unbelievable, yeah, like in a dream. So he has phantasmagorical ideas. Yeah, he's just dreaming of things that don't exist. Yeah, he doesn't have a clear view of this. Now, a good question, the formality of this. Let's see, I think I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality if you just want to describe something as lacking contact with reality. Yeah, his phantasmagorical ideas, maybe a 6 in formality. But if you're using it slightly more technically, then I think I'd probably give it something like a 7.5 in formality. And then as to origin, well, it comes from ancient Greek phantasma, meaning a ghost, and agoreo, meaning to speak publicly. So this is like a ghost speaking publicly. Okay, so yeah, maybe somebody speaking to a ghost is a phantasmagorical image. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Phantasmagoric, phantasmagorical, uh, Phantasmagoria. Okay, so bye for now.